Hello, everyone. Have you ever wished you could swap faces in a photo or even in a video with just a few clicks? Or maybe you've wondered how AI-powered tools make face swaps look so realistic that it's almost impossible to tell the difference. Well, today we're going to explore an amazing website called Deepfake Maker. This platform allows you to do face swaps, multiple face swaps, video face swaps, and even gender swaps, all with incredibly natural and accurate results. Let's start with its first feature, AI Face Swap. The process is very simple. You just upload the original face from your files, select the target face, and click on the Swap Now button. Within seconds, the AI perfectly replaces the original face, and the results are so smooth and natural that you can hardly recognize it was ever swapped. The second feature is Video Face Swap, which takes face swapping to the next level. Here, you upload a video containing the original face. You can even set how long you want the swapped face to appear in the video, and then select your target face. Before swapping, you'll see the credit option, and once you confirm it and click on Swap Now, the results are mind-blowing. The face is swapped so perfectly that the video looks completely authentic, and you can also download the final result instantly. Another powerful feature is multiple face swap. If you upload a photo with 2 or more faces, the tool lets you assign a different target face for each person individually. Once you hit Swap Now, Deepfake Maker processes everything together and produces a photo where all the faces have been swapped seamlessly. This is great for group photos, fun edits, or even creative professional projects. Finally, we have Photo Gender Swap, which allows you to change the gender of a person in a photo. For example, if you upload a girl's photo and choose a male target face, the AI instantly transforms it to look like a boy's face with strikingly realistic details. This feature is not only fun, but also showcases the true potential of AI face editing. So, that's it for today's video on Deepfake Maker. It's a versatile and powerful AI tool that gives you endless creative possibilities. Whether you want to swap a single face, multiple faces, entire videos, or even experiment with gender transformations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and reviews on the latest AI tools. And tell me in the comments, which feature of Deepfake Maker did you find the most exciting? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.